you're the one calling me. I missed the first call now. Eh? Yes. What? Malaysia is good for you. That is a good one. You want to come back? But I thought life was okay for you there. See, down here in Nigeria, things are very difficult too. When you come back, you'll explain why. When you come back, no problem. Oh, Kweto, your mother told me that you'll be coming to visit me when you get back to Nigeria. And let me tell you what you'll buy for me from Malaysia. Malaysian phone. Because this one I'm using is China. Idararam all the time. I want the one that will be doing Okay, all right. Take care of yourself, eh? Okay, bye. Hi, why are you coughing?
Who is that, Mama?
Your cousin now. Your cousin Chukwudi.
Where is he?
He lives in Malaysia.
So, Mama, I have a cousin in Malaysia and I'm not boasting in school. Hi!
Chalukwa, boasting how?
Boasting.
So, when you have a cousin in Malaysia, you boast in school? My friend. Go and face your books. Give me a ballast. Go and study. You want to boast because you have a cousin in Malaysia. You're the only one that has somebody in Malaysia. So, okay, now I have credit. Who am I going to call? Hey! That's my sister's second son in London. Okay.
Man, that's yesterday I came to Malaysia. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah. Wow, nice.
It's not taking no way.
Yeah, it's taking a while. Nice, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Are you a musician? No, I'm not a musician. Nice, thank you. Yeah, what do you have? My friend. Fine. I think. What's it, how much? 100? 120. 120. 123.
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be I be gonna mistake, oh, oh, oh. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Awa. Diana, I wanna take you away. Baby, partner, let me be your lady taking up.
Hello? Yeah, guy, how far? Yeah, the transaction. You mean you had $50,000? Guy, we don't collect. I tell you, send the transaction go enter now. $50,000. I beg, I just dey happy the ginger now. I just dey ginger $50,000, not this small thing. Make I go swing small. I don't need for club now, let me check the money. Just set out on the inside. You go be for club, I beg. I just dey happy, man, I don't pay. I tell you, this one is good news, confirm good news. You go club for club now. After swimming now, I will just meet you for club, let me share the money. God, just dey happy. This one is good news, so better news for life.
Welcome to Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia.
Techno.
Now we there, yeah.
Techno.
Now we there, yeah.
Thank you. Just have a seat. Techno. My pleasure meeting you in Malaysia. It's my partner. That's your music. Everybody. Wow. Even my kids. They want to go to Nigeria, want to meet Techno. I can show you YouTube. Techno.
Now we there, yeah. I see you as a Nigerian guy, man. That is why I want to cooperate with you.
Not be today, brother. I've got more than 16 good years in this country. I have back as you go. Yeah, not fair. The money not be problem.
Sapilo, I'm not the real Techno. I'm telling you as a good friend.
Like,
I'm telling you the
like seriously?
Like yes.
Okay, like you are kidding me, right?
I'm not kidding you, I'm telling you the fact, I'm telling you the truth, I'm not taking it.
Then how come you look like him? Everything about him. Are you doing, brother?
No, this is how I see myself. I don't know Techno don't know me. I've been chatting Techno on Instagram, on WhatsApp, no reply. One day, I will say I'm in Techno is my role model. I love the guy so much, I love his music. Anything about Techno, I love it. But I'm not seeing him. So sorry for the disappointment.
That means I'm dealing with the wrong person.
Yeah, the
impersonation.
Yes.
So how come you find your way to Malaysia?
You know, I see baby, long story, you know, I went to my village as a real Techno. I started collecting money. Some people give me contract as the real Techno, I will take the money. I took almost 8 or 10 million naira. Finally, one man that come catch me, arrest me with police. By the special grace of God, I managed to escape. So one guy took me to Malaysia, but the guy is not giving me work. The guy is dull, man. The guy, man.
Okay, and the fact is that you are not the real Techno.
I'm not the real Techno.
Alright, you go to the right person.
Sorry!
That's your business in Nigeria.
we continue here. Thank you, be it white, Malaysian, Indian, Chinese, anybody that sees you from today, you are the real techno.
Sorry.
Now I am booking you for next 20 years. This is Malaysia. This area and precisely this is Lankan Jaya Kondo.
Welcome to Malaysia. I'm Magi Jaya Kondo.
Jaya Kondo, what's it?
Yes, I'm booked for 20 years.
Confirm 20 years.
Oh, thank you.
No,
Can I ask you a question? Not when we make it, you got it.
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Bam 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 bam. Bam bam bam. Awa. Diana, I wanna take you away. Baby partner, let me be your lahadi taking up. I give you visa to Malaysia, first flight to Canada. Don't be one so say you want see the rake. Don't be one so say you dey like Versace. Bam 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 bam. Bam bam bam. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Bam 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 bam. Bam bam bam. Awa.
Very beautiful. Really beautiful. Yeah, but the system now. System handle my mini, my structures, my building. How many stories do you have? 98-story building.
1 million building.
98-story building. 98-story building.
Highest. Or did that phone block? Or did you cheap? And the weather. Ministry by the weather. Yeah, hey, I'm a child. My manager, I need to go around.
I take you around anywhere you want to go.
Okay, manager, I want to go by myself.
Okay.
I'm a Muslim.
You have your document. You won't have problem with police, immigration, no problem. Just go. Anytime you put me on call, I will just hang around with my family.
Fine, manager.
Techno, I'm the man for now. Where's the idea for now meeting? Yeah, I go.
You open on Malaysia. Anything about Malaysia is fine.
Fine. Alright.
Madam, I'm coming. Let me just go around and look.
Make sure you know your way.
No. That one, no problem. I know my way.
After that, you just meet us KFC. Want to have some things.
Okay.
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake.
Fine, no, but I'm a cow. Yeah, my color, mama.
Oh,
Kedi ma kalu motu. Kedi ma kalu motu. Omo fego. Kedi ma kalu motu oni jampo. Shide kende wuru mmiri obodo go na bibia. Hai. Obodo amaka o.
Now.
And I want this phone.
This is the worst part of it. And then when will we get him? If he has his phone now, we'll call him. And I told him you should be careful of your passport, your document, and make sure you know your way. That I know my way. Anyhow, Lagos, more O2 on the chat. Oh, yes, in the kitchen, madu forever also. Or by ball in the kitchen, madu, but in the kitchen, also. Or in the room, madu, tools or gaff, they were gone. Yeah, my nation. This guy is lost. Maybe he went to our police station or immigration. I'm very, very sure police will pick him up. Make me just naturalism madu, not that I'm looking for a key. Go madu ho too.
Where will I see this? When I can't give an tap on the driver and not chief room when I will take you. Given Diana, where will I get these people? Where will I find these people? Where will I find these people? Let me go and look for them at the other side. That Chingoncho side. Went our Malaysia, La Putapa, bro. Went our Malaysia, La Putapa, bro. I don't know anywhere from here now. And that was my phone. Where will I see this? Maybe my phone down. I don't know my way. Where will I see?
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like pana pana? I be you Maya Maya. Bri bam 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 bam. Bri bam bam bam. Awa. Diana, I wanna take you away. Baby,
What's part of it? I don't know what it is.
Ihe ọha bịalụ a na-achọghị kemgbe ebe bịa ma bụ isi na-ehido ụra isi m you know your way, you know how to go, you nwere everything. It's never awụ Nigeria isi na-ejejebe owu ma isi ma itu eje Ikorodu.
Brother, sorry. I don't know. In Malaysia, everywhere, people say I'm not one of them.
Gịnị ka ime ị na-ekwu?
What an over than I can body here.
Because make I say about pointing mad hypertension, meeting mad BP now.
Brother, over there,
Somebody million young people.
I don't even know my way. You know, in this Malaysia, everywhere here in this winter, not the same. So I have to miss my way. My brother from most of the work. It's not the work. It's not the other. It's need them. I see them. I so I pay the bus.
Man, let's work together. I show you area, show you everything, show you around. It's somebody my everything.
I'm sorry.
Baby, from today, Bob and I'm DJ. So when now,
baby, madam, sorry.
And you don't go out alone. You know?
Okay.
I'm so delighted to see you. I'm so happy. Finally, I can finally meet Tekno. Okay. You know, actually, I've already paid to your manager, and your manager finally directed me to meet you. Okay. I'm so happy to meet you. Okay. So I don't really know. I'm a musician, and I can really rap and whatever. Wow. If you want me to freestyle, I will give me some stuff. Okay. He told me about you. We were supposed to meet day before yesterday in Kuala Lumpur, but I missed my thing. So you're a musician?
Yes.
So what do you want from me? Actually, what I want you to do for me is to connect me to all these big artists like Don Jazzy, Davido, P-Square, people like you. We want to do a hit that one is a small case. Davido and P-Square, all of them, Don Jazzy, they're my boys.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's my boys. But for me to feature you, it will cost you a lot of money. Like 5 million naira.
5 million, and everything is done.
Settle.
Oh,
cool. That's not a problem. Yeah? I will look into it and get back to you. So we are on deal now.
On deal.
Thank you. Say your name is what again? Philip Gentility. Philip Gentility, Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia.
Okay, now go and wait for me in the bar so I can see another person.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Taking on.
Every day.
Wale.
Yeah. Thank you. Ini Edo boja Chineke kere ụwa agwọna Malaysia n'Enugu brother agwọna bụ.
Ma abịa n'aka m ga-akpọ my manager now.
Arrange this boy now. This boy with the guy that now getting my call my mom now. This boy should bring this money, then we go. Okay, he's coming. Oh, Tekno. Yeah, big boy. What's up? Fine.
Nah, I've been trying to call you, like busy.
Yeah,
so I was directed that you were here.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, how things? I'm here with the cash.
Wow,
So it's too.
this is the 5 million.
5 million cash.
Cash.
Yeah, I got it.
And I love doing business with you. I keep the next 2 meals, you'll be more than the video and P Square.
Are you serious?
That's
Come
me.
on, that's the deal. I'm so happy about that.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
You can rap, right?
Yeah, I can rap. I can freestyle.
Give me a freestyle.
Okay, yeah. It's a boy feeling just to let one of us go. Cause I flow, wanna blow, when I like it. You can't stop my flow, cause I got my blood slow down. I'm sticky bone, I'm masking, I'm traveling like a master bone. Taking over, you know. Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
I mean,
You are very good, man. Man, you are very good.
yeah.
Man, I'm going to bring you down to Nigeria so that I will tell them that there are somebody like you in Kurura Lupo. So, man, you know what?
Yeah.
I'm going to add this on my own, don't pay.
Okay.
I'll call Tiwa Savage.
Savage. Oh, I love that. Her voice is so sweet.
Yes,
I love it.
Thank you now. Okay. So now,
I'll be on my way.
okay, call me in the night, okay?
Okay, I'll call you.
Yeah, call me in the night.
Thank you. Huh?
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next.
Alright.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah.
I run for the money, but I couldn't get it. I want to maybe give you my car for the deal.
For the deal.
Yeah.
So you didn't get the money.
Yeah.
So I should take your car.
Yeah.
For the deal. You know what? I will call Whiskey on your matter.
No problem.
Whiskey will feature you, and I will give him a beat for you.
No problem.
So the car is where.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the car.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. It's too much. Okay, now. Call me in the night.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like Pana? I be you Maya. Diana, I wanna take you away, baby partner. Let me be a lady taking no.
My guys, what's up? I want to move.
We are
talking something serious. You're talking about that. You won't
for what to say?
I'm a celebrity getting any. I'm just meeting taking now with my 5 million rings naira. So what you guys are talking about is
too much. When they just put the picture, I'm gonna take no answer.
I want to show you. I'm just coming back from seeing that. See them. I'm a superstar now. They've just signed me in now. But that's it. I don't know when I can do it in a bar, but sometimes so I don't know. As I'm talking to you, I just kept taking the 5 million. I'm talking to you that signed me and everything is on telling you, see the contract. So what are you saying? One name is superstar. Clean my face, clean my face. I'm a superstar, yes, clean my face. Clean my face. One day tonight I'm taking him to club, VIP. Hello? Oh, I'm managing the big boss, all this evening now, all this evening, just in a few minutes I'm with my guys now, I'm confused. Now I'm managing the phone now. Never wait. And now where is the matter? You become more Uganda. Why not? You become more I believe you are very easy. Then they get you. Who got it? I'm a superstar. But this is the
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana? I be you Maya Maya. Do I look like Pana Pana?
Hello? One day I go to Malaysia, I go to Malaysia one day. Can you ever go to Cabo? No. One day over there, they have many story building. Auto logo. One day. See, let me tell you, I'm going to almost 200 decades. No, I'm just coming back from where I bought in Domi now. I go now. One day we band in go to a band. What happened? My way so he asked me the ever go was not floor. The son I'm very floor. Come back and get Tommy. Now, my brother, if I come back in Nigeria, my name now is also Diego na Malaysia. Also Diego na Malaysia. Thank you. My brother, I'm coming back. Okay. My musician. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, man. What's up? Yeah, I'm hearing your scream, man. I try to bring this shit.
Now we there, yeah. Now we there, yeah, man.
No problem.
Take it easy.
Give it to you. Man, you know, I promise you that in the next 2 months, you will be like Tiwa Savage. I believe you.
Please,
I believe you. Osadebe, I believe you. There is honor. My brother, thought I will give you a music title called Actors. By the time everybody has it,
That's it. Something like that. I'll give it to you. I will call on that this night for you, okay? Really? I'll do that. I believe you. I believe you so much. Thank you. This is my kind of drink. No, I love it. I just brought it for you. Thank you, man. I love you very much. Okay. Alright. Love you, huh? Love you.
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I don't be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Oh, oh.
Everybody can do China as a year. Malaysia.
Hey, welcome to Malaysia. Can you mark on Babo? Can you mark on Babo? Hey, but I must pay me, I swear.
No, I didn't have more than those. I'm you began now, but also.
Hi, Chireke. Hi, Chireke.
You can't crush it because I'm aware. Yeah, of it.
So I want from England. I want to start England.
My manager told me not like Nigeria. It's manager. This is pork. Yeah, right. Yeah, and this.
One them. Where people do baby media or come in the Nigeria, we didn't know now.
Dikeh, all day now. Hey, you want more? My brother is then I came to you now. You don't want any state. You want to see who go. But why you know sit on say waka? You kill na taman oki. Who highest?
Hi, when you
can't be this time,
welcome to Malaysia.
Oh my God. Yes, I get kwab. Alright, come. Papa, I will relate to you later. Bye. My follow me. What about today, guy? Now.
Get out one since all this one. I'm not a wall, but this is the man out of his company.
I'm not interested. I'm not saying you're interested now. I don't want to know that.
Only one go to like 2 weeks now. I'm coming here. The much of the night, they go pass in my
brother, see you we cost you something. Onye gbasara mmanya aka na akpa dị. Ihe eme bụ just arrange the 5K. Almost 5,000 Malaysian ringgit. Ekutere ndị tekno ka nwa. Brother. I'm not to you obodo a. I am contracted to for 20 years. For 20 years, you have to take no mere but through me. On where or do? Brother, I beg. Like I tell you, see, the weather not too good. Rain they fall, and me I want Shiwa from there. You know, 2K, you are ready to have a big. You are not ready. I have to say that. I have to say like that. 2,000. So how will you take get the cash? I will get the cash. Just take my contacts. If you am leaving, nothing. Just get to take selfie, pictures, get all the okay, I'm not there by maybe my block. None of them Jalan 4 by 4 p.m. Nothing to you. You don't want to make it. You know.
The Nigerian actor? Yeah, I think it's techno. What? Can we go? Hello! Hello! We've seen you a lot on YouTube! We watch you! Yeah. Can we take stuff on you? Yeah, first. Now say, we love buildings! We love buildings! It's a video. It's a video! Yeah!
I was saying for that.
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Oh, here. You got my phone. Thank you.
Yeah, let me use my phone now.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being on here.
Yes, I see you. And that's for you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Techno.
Mamako!
Mamako, this is techno. Techno in Malaysia. Yeah. So this is Mama, this is Big Bro, this is Asawako. This is Big Auntie, and this is my sweet aunt. Well.
So nice to meet everyone.
Alright.
Nice.
And also you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Techno. Kami parang lah ya, your channel.
Yes.
Thank you, Ma.
I know be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake, oh. I know be taking no, I be fake. My brother be gonna mistake, oh. Do I look like pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like pana? I be you Maya. Do I look like pana? I be you Maya.
Sing for me.
Okay. Say the love I see for your eyes. I love you, man. You go get one in Nigeria. But now, you want to go for hey. Yeah, Apage, can't you be Buddha? Man, where they are, baby. That is good, baby.
Wine it.
So that is it. When you are with me, you are happy. I'm the taking off. That is so no problem. Let's go and eat African food. Okay? Let's go. That's my baby.
How are you?
Fine, bro. You okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
That real techno?
Yes, that's real techno. Africa.
Yes. Oh, good. I want to see him.
You want to see techno?
Yeah.
Yes, techno. Techno is a popular artist in Nigeria. And for him to come over here, you need to have big money.
Oh, I want to see him. I give you money, don't worry, I give you. Money is no problem, but I want to see him.
It's okay.
Yeah. When you bring?
I have to reach him.
Okay.
To know his arrangement before coming over.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much.
My man, how far?
Fine, looking good today.
Oh, now God, now you know things now, so they do and they do.
Yeah. I heard techno is town.
Yes, of course. Techno is much around. Can I help you with anything?
I love to see techno.
It's possible you can see techno, but it's going to cost you something. You know, like 5,000 ringgit. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I'll get it.
For sure.
Yes, I want to see techno.
Where do you think, or where do you have us to meet?
Let's say 12 noon at Jalan 4. That would be convenient for us, and I'll bring the money while
5K Malaysian ringgit.
Yes.
Nah, don't wait till tire. How far about the cash now?
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
Make I see now, make I see again. 5K, right?
Yes, 5,000 ringgit, yes.
Complete?
Yes.
You know, say this street where we do, we need to confirm things, so... Okay, alright. Complete? Deal. What you have to do, you call my number, I'll give you a proposal, and where we're going to meet. Once we meet, I'll show you the techno and every other thing. You take selfie, take pictures and every other thing. See, I'm quite busy because I have some other clients. So see this boss here also want to see techno, this man. So there's no chance for me even to see any other person now. So what you do is just to call me on phone.
I'll give you a call. Alright.
If you take me, I'm not going to do my with the manager and we are booked for 20 years.
Good.
That's right.
5, 10, 15, 20K and that will make the wrong things. I will assure you. Now me be techno manager and we are booked for 20 years. The techno manager in Malaysia booked for 20 years. After Zubi Michael has booked him for 12 years, I took over from him. I trust you.
Yeah, there's techno.
I take you picture.
Yeah, you say you want to see me, I'm here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a picture. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, man. Okay, let me take one more. Thank you. This techno.
Okay. Love, one love. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Diana, I wanna take you away, baby. Bana, taking no, don't come back from Malaysia to go to school. Or the village one follow.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Hey, Mama.
How was your trip?
Fine, Mama.
Hey, Chukwudi, there's something I would like to discuss with you.
Mama, I have to... Mama, let me eat first. Oh, wow.
I am sure you have missed that.
What?
Your mother told me of all the bad things you did and how you landed yourself in jail. Of course, being a mother, she had to run around and struggle to bail you. I just hope that those things would not repeat itself.
Mama, it will not. I know I did bad, but now I'm a changed person.
That is good to hear. That is very wise of you.
I've got a big auntie there as well. Something I want to tell you. I want to go back to school because I want to get my WAEC result. It's very, very important.
I am so happy that it's coming from your mouth. That means you have become wiser.
Yes, auntie.
From when you were doing techno.
Big auntie.
No problem. I will talk to Uju's head teacher and see what they can do for you. But I have a slight problem here.
What?
Well, It has to do with the tattoo. There's no way you can go to school with that. So you need to clean it off.
Mama, I've made a mistake. And there's nothing I can do. All you do for me now is to help me and convince the principal.
You should have been the one doing it, but let's see how it goes.
See, do my mom. My man. Where are you now? Calm down. Where are you now? But listen, I'm coming to give you Malaysia linkets. My man, you may go back over there. Oh, yeah, now. Take no official. No, calm down. Slim Daddy, #1. One, calm down. I'm coming now. Okay.
You're already on your way to school. Please, when you get to the school, tell your principal that I said I would like to see her later for something very important.
Mama, this one you want to see the principal. Hope all is well.
All is well. It's about your cousin. I want to discuss with her over his admission.
Mama, good morning.
Nah, you're awake. Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Good morning. I can see you are off to school.
Yes.
Mama, let me ask one thing too.
No. This is too much now.
Mama,
No.
It's not money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,000 to a student.
It's no money, Mama.
No. Anyway, you can take this 500. When you get to school, buy buns, yeah? And that ice cream that man that close that thing, buy everything for me. I'll keep this one for you. Baba, have a good day. Are you frowning? I will keep the money for you. On your champ.
Where can I get soap? I want to wash my car.
To wash your car? Yeah. With soap? Yeah. You can use ordinary water now.
In Malaysia, we don't use that.
Now this is Nigeria. We'll buy something.
Mama, I was going to see my friend Chini, who lives in the Nollywood village.
Oh, okay. So how long are you going to be there for?
2 or 3 days.
Okay. That's not bad. But I told you, I'm going to see her principal tomorrow.
Okay.
I want to ensure that they enroll you for your WAEC.
Mama, I'm so happy. Because that WAEC is my main concern. It's the key.
Yes. And you will pass it in flying colors.
Amen, Mama.
Okay? But there's something that bothers me. All the tattoo on your body, I mean, it's unbecoming now. It looks disgusting. How are you going to carry this thing to school?
Mama, I'll take you now. I'll take you, Mama.
Original dancehall. Why you not be smart? Baby, want it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby. It's a Friday night. Okay, this girl me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. Okay, this girl me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high.
Me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody cool. Say me the rust back queasy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up on
Pana Alhaji. Look, this is our opportunity to make money in this village. Let us eat these people mugu.
Which people?
The villagers.
My man, I can't do it. That's it. I can't do it.
Why?
Because I don't want.
Look. There is no difference between you and the main techno. All these people know you as techno. All these people know you as Alhaji. Just what you have to do is just to act like him. Just act like the real techno. There's no difference. Act like him while I just put them to get a record label with you.
My brother, I can't do it, dog.
Think about it. I know you. I know you. Just think about it.
I can't do it.
Don't worry. Just sleep over it.
I don't be taking no, I be fake. My people be gonna mistake. I don't be taking no, I be fake.
Waragbo.
Abu,
Ah, Oga boy. Now you see that he's doing this. If I don't even see you.
Me, I see you.
What you want?
I drop her first now.
Okay. Hi. Oga bobo.
Have fun.
Customer dada. What you want?
See ya. Get one away match where I want to today. Match. I want waiting to make the waist free. So that I'm going to rotate 360.
Oga bobo, the woman dribbler. What you want? Tell me. Sebi is washing and setting. Abi aromo ginger. Or is up nepa. Or is up sexy. What you want? Oh yeah, tell me what you want.
Sticky baby.
See,
mix everything. One more go here. Mix everything with the mix everything here. I want the cassava to rise. Rise and shine.
What? Hey. Customer dada, if I should miss everything that is inside this place. That one will be hard, yo. Because if I miss everything that is inside here, your cassava go stand like this. And you will call carry police and come and arrest me that is Sakira that sold it for you.
Give me what you go ginger my swagger. No talking.
Don't worry, Oga Bobo. I know what is good for you. You see this one, if you take it, that girl, she will know that something has entered her. When you put it inside me, she will be coming to be asking for more. Shebi, you trust me now? Is it not Miss Sikira again? Oh yeah, take it.
Siki? Very soon, you will mix something for me.
Always, as usual.
And you. So that we'll go and dance now, you don't understand? You hit me, I knock you. You knock me, I knock you.
You Sherry Bruko dead. Sherry Wereti. Idiot. You want to go and play away match. Let me come and carry my things and start going.
Whether you sold or you no sold.
Money? I will not sell you the credit, your money. Tomorrow. Because of you, it's because you are a good customer, eh? Customer dada. So yeah, now go and enjoy your way match.
Siki baby.
Nana! Hey!
Na sorry oh. Me no see you people oh. Sorry.
How will you see us while you are busy with your phone?
Oh. Only God knows which member she's chatting with. Me no chatting. What is chatting? Let me telling you, me you watching the selfish, me taking with Teklo. Do you hear me?
Alaji Teklo. Which Alaji Teklo?
Maybe you see Teklo. And maybe you travel to the city. Me not traveling, no. Me not traveling. You not knowing that Alaji Teklo is light here in this village. You not knowing. Anyways, me don't take him picture with Teklo. Meaning me passing enough for level. Yeah.
Ijoma, come, let's go. It is obvious that she's having high fever.
Yes, always look.
Wait,
come. Come in. Come, I'm telling you now.
Hey!
Hey! Nene! Hey! Where is he staying in this village? I want to know, please.
You want to know?
Yes.
You were calling me a cookies.
No, you're not
telling you where staying in the village.
No, you're not a cookies, please.
I'm not telling you.
Nene.
Please,
we are
Nene.
so sorry.
Yes.
We're so sorry.
You're
not. Please tell us.
Bam.
Inside.
Yes. Inside.
Okay, me telling you. Aladi Teklo is staying here, right here in the village. Going back, not touching me. You are Flending when? Okay. What do you want?
I want to see him.
What do you want?
I want to see him too.
No problem, me showing you Teklo. Me showing you Teklo. You coming to my house. But of you coming to my house. You know now.
Hey! No problem. Let's go already.
Let's go.
Nene the fine girl.
Yes.
You follow me from my back, singing my name, blessing me. If not, me not showing you the clothes.
That's not a problem. Nene the fine girl. Nene fine. Fine Nene.
So now how you draw me? So come. You do Yanga self. As you legit like this, as you tight like this. See your uku, the sarambara.
Wait.
Have fun now.
What are they calling me?
Why you run me down? You know say I like you. I don't tell you say I love you. Say I won't marry you. Why you form my hand now? Why you form my hand? I'm not tight rich. I'm not clean rich.
Wait oh. You want marry me? A boss. You want marry me?
I no fit.
Actually no.
See, Nene baby, I dey promise you like this, so if you roll with me, I go clean you up. I go wash you, When all these guys see you for outside, they go confirm. You feel me?
Hey, okay, mother, I know for. Wait, make I ask you, boss. That is your mechanicing working. You want to use him cleaning me? All mechanic in alo,
so mechanic no be human being, abi?
Let me telling you, anytime you see me for loading, stopping me killing you. I got my bugo. I was calling a question news in the new Nagwagi. I was calling agua.
Don't start. Wait. Now, do not man like me, they shout the people.
Be the class.
Now, love, they cause all these things. I blame love. Not be love.
You're classy.
Me, I the classy. Nene. Nene. See, nothing for this life. No go make me. When I go make me climb that hill, I will climb up. Okay, I will come. Rose. This girl has been making guy for me. Stop. Rose.
I'm a big fan. I love all your music from Bana. Why Diana. From Diana. Cassava.
The new one now is Jogodo. Try and get Jogodo.
I love your music. I love you so much. I'm a big fan. Okay. I can't believe I'm big Tekno.
Jogodo is out. Go and watch Jogodo. Jogodo is out. By Tekno official.
I love you so much. I'm a big fan.
This is my autograph.
Alhaji.
Mama, what of Chukwu? Is he not coming back to our house again? Has he traveled?
Of course he's coming back to the house. He went to the neighboring village to visit a friend.
Mama, do you know that Chukwu resembles Tekno?
Tekno? Who is Tekno?
Mama, I don't know that music that I always play in the house.
You play several music, so how would I know which one is Tekno and which one is Oliver Twist? Don't know.
Don't worry, when we are done cooking, I will play it for you so that you compare and contrast.
That means you have to play the DVD.
I will play the DVD.
That way I will see his face. Then I can compare.
Hi, Mama. You don't know Tekno again. Yeah. You don't even know this. You're just old-fashioned.
That is my age now. See, I'm just old-fashioned. How can I know Tekno when I have people like Chris Okotie them that sang during our own time? Jidobi. The one with the beard. Oliver. Osadebe.
If you don't know Whiskey, Davido, Ice Prince, name them, Don Jazzy, all of them, so you don't know them.
There's one. Wait, there's one.
Hi! Bobo. Hey. Bobo, my. In fact, I am going mad. Can you imagine the way Tekno was talking to Drake? Hello, Drake. Hey, it's me, Tekno. Oh boy, just as if I am the one talking to you. Guy, see levels. Hey. Hi.
See, Tekno don't get levels. We'll go on around, find 1 or 2 money, raise up to 1 million naira, take and do 1 or 2 collabos. Make Tekno help us go plan for Drake and Jay-Z for Uptown. Like you, they go come sign us. True. I go become national artist.
See, I tell you, he says I dey come off from here now. As I dey live now, waka come out. I dey go sell my papa land. I dey go find buyer. That remaining plot of land will remain. I go sell them. If you no agree, I go agree for them. The signing I need them.
See, your own better. Yes, now. When I even get out, you go sell. Life now, you on your own. Me, I'm on my own. I'll go sell that my boss. They can raise money. Yes, now. More can do collab, go give and take him to make it help our lives.
Bobo. Hey! Bobo, you see the whole thing where you talk, you enter. But see this one now where you talk, you no follow. How you won't come sell your boss now? If you sell and what you go use, they survive. As per say, if you say at times you go come, you go give me 15 naira, 17 naira, they use the argument. If you sell and now, how you won't come, they get the money. Find another thing, sell a bed. That one no enter.
See, now because it's my guy, I'll go forgive you for this way you talk. If not, I go believe say you follow for all these bad people where they winch me up and down. No wonder I know they sell all this one for this village.
I go talk like that now.
Why would they ask me about the boss now? Now you get the boss. Okay. No verse. Who get the boss?
Now your own.
Who wants sell them?
Now you want sell them. No verse.
So I take concern you.
No verse.
Okay. comport yourself. Go lose your money. I lose my own money. We go do collabo. Can I give taking? Don't blow with that.
See, since I see myself now, just I don't become star. Now star I feel like this. Because as I don't see the kind of motor I go to push because Techno don't make me star. See, I don't become star already.
For me, I don't get matter. Watch my work at that time now.
I'm the Techno official, the stream that the #1. I will make the world to know you. As a matter of fact, do you know what? I will feature you in my latest music called Jogodo. Say Jogodo.
Jogodo.
I want Jogodo. Jogodo. That's the topic. Okay? That's what I will do for you. Because anybody that doesn't know me is a person that doesn't know his father.
I'm glad that I met you.
See, let me tell you, I used 4.8 million in drawing this tattoo.
Original dancer. Why you not be smart? Baby, one is loaded. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby.
Is this not Chupodi? I can't believe this. This is the Techno.
Bye. You know who called me? You know when your speak want to go down, I think he did like this. So that's one of my fans.
So like, how much will I give you?
Money is not my problem, but you go and hustle 1 million naira.
Okay, I'll tell my father. I believe he will give me the money.
1 million naira is nothing. I use 4.8 million naira to draw this tattoo. So talk to them, okay? I will sing Pana. So I will sing my new song, Jogodo. It's all over the world. Jogodo.
I can't wait to be
Jogodo.
I can't wait to be in your music.
Yeah.
Mommy, but I thought you don't used to like this kind of music.
Yeah, this one is different. Techno is different. The dance steps, Look at what the boy does with his legs. I don't know if I start practicing, if I'll be able to.
Mommy, they will not take you. Just leave it. Just
I'm not saying take. Side. Do it for myself, my friend. I enjoy his music.
How may I help you? Did you bring food for me?
No. The food is for Techno, not true.
Your own for Techno. What about yours? Techno too. Did Techno tell you people that he is hungry?
No. Techno did not tell me he's hungry. But I can't say as na man and Techno they live. Say Techno go the hungry. I say make I bring food for now.
Okay, what do you have inside there?
Nah, fried rice, chicken and salad.
What's the meaning of this one now? Why did you bring exactly what I brought for Techno?
The same thing?
Please, I brought the same thing for Techno.
Close your mouth! You are very stupid!
Me, stupid girl.
See this plate? Ugly mutete like you. Nakwa.
Me, ugly with
the class.
White ugly with
the class.
You bless the man. I'm not this man.
What
that? Free man up at me. What that?
What's wrong wrong with you? Why is your face like this, ni?
Na Lozo. Na Loz come fight me. Use nails. Mbo. Gawasi amilu. Use her nails, clash all my face.
Clash. Rose. Sebi, you telling her that your face is scratching you. So you should come help you and scratch it.
What is scratching you? I tell you, say scratch. What is scratch? Say Loz Jimbo. Where Gawasi amihu. Only that fear.
Oh, you is still fighting. Una fought?
Sikira, I no get time for this or jam question this evening. Yeah, ba. Don't feel money na kona.
You don't pay money, you will not say something that somebody can understand. I don't even know. Please let me continue and say my but today just flop bad luck. No single customer on the way, Charlie.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Uju, you've been looking so fresh these days. What is the secret?
You're just looking for what I will say, but I won't say anything.
Oh, tell me. See, you must tell me.
I will not say anything. My mouth fume.
You're not hiding something from me.
I'm not hiding anything for you. Oh,
Would you?
No, you're my friend. I cannot hide anything for you. Seriously, I'm not hiding anything. I'm okay. Please,
I'm watching you.
I don't know that I'm shining.
So, madam, from what you have explained to me, I will allow him into SS3, which is not done in any good school.
I just need him to get his WAEC, please.
I know he needs to get a WAEC, but first of all, he needs to go through SS2 for him to be familiar with the courses on WAEC.
Oh, I see.
Secondly, concerning the tattoo on his body, I don't know if the proprietor will allow that in his school.
I don't even know what to say, because I said exactly the same thing to him. But the point is that the deed is already done. You can't remove the tattoo, it's permanent. So madam, please, I need you to beg the proprietor to see if they would, allow him. He's just going to stay for 1 year. It's not even up to 1 year, please.
No problem. I will see what I can do about it. Let me see if I can talk to him. If I can talk to him,
Thank you so much. I knew I could count on you.
Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you very much, okay?
Are you sure this 2 million naira is complete?
No. Okay, it's complete. You can count it. My Bukampu money. America. I can't wait.
Shebu. The money is complete.
Wow.
So let me call direct for him.
Yeah.
Hello, Dikeh. I'm fine. I have one of my artists. What's his name? That's in the building.
Wait, Bobo, you said a musician, a renowned star stays in this house.
Yes. See, let me tell you. He lives here. Don't worry. Soon, he will come back.
At least, we've been standing here for a very long time. At least just mention his name. I know so many superstars in the music industry. I know plenty of them. At least mention the name of this person. Maybe he's somebody that I know.
No gri. Yes, now. So you know, say, if I tell you his name now, there will be no more surprise for you.
A little surprise. I am not. I have grown above that this thing. But wait, what kind of this thing that lives in the place? They don't even have meter. Even they are prepared. I am sure it is. It has belonged the.
this boy. Go on. I'm going to kill you. If I finish killing you, I will kill you and bury you and come to your burial and drink mineral and drink malt and even eat rice and food together. What's your burial? Shut up. Shut up. Go. I'll deal with you now. What? I'm going to choose to use and kill you now. Which one will kill you faster? Is this one? Hey! This boy! Hey! I'll deal with you. Come on, Shema Bosu. Baby, what is it? I will let you. I swear. If it's not my contact to take you, I will kill you. I will finish you. Overgrown baby. I will finish you. Overgrown baby. Shut up. Overgrown baby, shut up. Why? I have always told you to stop smoking weed. You said no. Each time you smoke weed, tell you, even when you want to smoke weed. Shut up. Go and breastfeed. Your mother is calling you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Overgrown baby. I'm telling you. For me, I'm in US. You! Superstar! You see, that's what he was saying. He was saying you should stay in the US. Look at you. I'm going. Okay? Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. Hey! I'll break your head up. Have more. I'm a job in the show. Ah! From above.
Just forget about what happened here. But how did you get to know about this techno?
It's a long story. In fact, the length of the story, from here I get to the sky, it's a very, very long one.
I am listening. My ears are open.
Edu, do you know this boy? Do you know that this boy had the effrontery to come and bamboozled me? He bamboozled my money. He tricked me, collected my money, did me 419 OPT. He did me OPT and collected my money. I am not even complaining over the money he collected from me. The one that makes me feel like if I get this boy, let me strangle him to death, was impregnating my sister. Ha! Or you even shout ha. That is to tell you how painful it is that this boy impregnated my sister. You didn't know the most painful part. The most painful aspect of it was I was the person who was even shining torch for them. I can count how many times, in fact, I cannot even count how many times I escorted my sister to see him. I accompanied my sister to go and see this idiot. Every morning, afternoon and night, this is how this boy. Well, to come down from my sister was a problem for this boy. He kept walking on my sister like he's a mechanic. My sister came to his workshop. This is how he keeps walking on my sister. Not jogging. What is wrong? After all these things, this boy impregnated my sister and ran away. And this anger is, I wish the heart is transparent. I would have said, come and see how annoyed, how angry I am inside. No, because if I feel like, I feel like, strangling this, strangling this boy to death. That is how it is. It's okay. That is how it is.
Okute, no. Don't kill anybody. Just calm down and listen to me. Now that you have known that this guy is a fraudster, he's fraudulent. Yeah, that is what we do for a living. Yes, Chinedu. We are all fraudsters, scammers. So I want you to join us. Join us and make money. Let us connive and extort money from them, and we'll be rich.
I don't understand. This is what people do for a living. Scamming people. This is what you do for a living. And why have EFCC have not caught up with you? Why haven't the police catch you?
Calm down. Let us show you the way. You were Mugu before, but now you'll be the Maga.
And what if police come?
No police.
EFCC, ICPC, OPC, ICC, OCC, BCC,
no police,
UCC,
no UCC,
JCC,
no JCC,
all the things that has CC.
Nothing. Just money.
Check it, I'll punish you.
See, Okute, I'm a changed person now. Please, just forget about the past. I'm a changed person now.
I should forget about the past?
Yes.
Chukwode, Tekno. Chukwode, Tekno. I should forget about the past. Where will I start from? No, let me assume I want to forget the past. Where will I start from? Should I start from the morning you stole from my Ogene boys. You made me ask them to contribute money. Some of them borrowed. You ran away with the money. Should I forgive you? Should I start forgiving you from there? Should I start forgiving you from sleeping with my sister and impregnating her and run away? Should I start to forgive you from there? Should I start forgiving you from collecting 5 million naira from my sister? Where will I start forgiving you from? You were holding 5 million naira that belongs to my sister in one of your hands and was using your waist judiciously until you made her pregnant. Now you want me to forgive you. Chukwode, tell me where I should start forgiving you from. I'm asking you. Should I start forgiving you from all the girls you impregnated in our village? As a matter of fact, when I say our village, it's as if it is not your village. In your own village, the same village you and I came from. All the girls you impregnated in that village, if they should assemble, they will form a forum. Their children will be Catholic. You willingly impregnated them. I was asking myself, is it super glue that you have? Take no. I was asking myself, organic Hebrew, Aradite, or super glue, or one, that each time you drop one, it magnets, it gums, without defusing, without melting away. You want me to forgive you? It is fine.
I'm okay for the money. I'll do something about it. After my education, I'll come for your sister's hand in marriage.
Okute, you should not worry about the money. After my education, I'll come back for your sister's hand in marriage. Did my sister give you condition that I must be educated before you come and marry her? See the way you said it. After the money, after my education, I'll come and ask for her sister. Is that a condition? If you have sense, take no. If you have sense, what you should have said is, or in fact, what I understood you are trying to say is that you want to enroll in education, and after your education, then you will come back to ask for my sister's hand in marriage. Is that not so? It's all right. Let me take it like that. But wait, did you say you want to go to school?
I want to go back to school.
Oh, you came back from Malaysia. I am sure in Malaysia they taught you that the education is important. I haven't traveled abroad. I know that in the airport and all the things you saw abroad showed you that education is important. You want to go to school. If you ask me, Chukwudi, it's a brilliant idea. I love it.
What is it?
For that reason, I will want to follow you to school.
You're an old man now. I'm an old man.
Don't be angry. All the books you read, were they written by small boys? Okay, let me ask you another one. Is there any age barrier in academics?
Okay.
Is there?
Okay.
Who even told you I'm old? How did you know? No. How did you know I am old? Is it because of this face? Leave this face. This face is full of cum. That is how it is always rumpled. And the face is always rumpled. That is how it is.
Okay.
It's full of cum.
You are my friend. You know what? I will talk to my sister about the school so that we will go together.
Please, anybody you know that you will talk to about this academics thing, please tell the person. I will willingly want to follow you and go back to school to acquire more education, more knowledge. Huh?
Okay, I will do that.
Chukwudi, the principal says you should come tomorrow for your registration. Okay?
Alright, thank you, man. I still want you to do me one more favor.
You and favors, what is it this time?
Mama, I have my friend that wanted to help me and put in that school.
No problem, but first of all, you have to finish with your own registration. Alright?
Ah, thank you, no, in my school. My dear, you're welcome. You're welcome, eh? Happy to see you, my dear. You're welcome. So, madam, what can I do for you?
Well, it's my son that I've been talking to you about. I want to register him for 1 year. Yes.
You would have told me. It's the famous musician in our country that want to register in my school. My dear, why didn't you tell me?
Well, we are here for registration now.
Okay, immediately. But you will go to the administrative for him to sign the yeah. Oh. So we don't do that here. Oh, okay. You understand? Yes. So my dear, you are welcome once more, my dear. Happy to see you.
One more request I would like to make of you. A friend of his, I would like to bring him to the school to take the same exam.
Hey, yes. Is it Pataranki or Whiskey? Which of them? No. Please bring them. We need them in the school. I know. Please, but we need them.
He's not a musician. He's more like a comedian.
Yes. Wow, happy to hear this. I'm happy. I'm so happy to hear this. So, madam, I'm happy to see you people.
Thank you.
What I've been telling you, this is what led me to prison. Eh?
I can't do this. Eh?
No, it's not a small thing.
Everything, taking, Bana.
Even the head teacher jumped on you.
Now.
Ha. Okay, Anana, because this time around you're in school. You have to forget everything about that techno and study hard, so that you come out in flying colors. Eh?
I will.
You will do that.
Yes,
let me sit down. Hey. Hi.
Mama, Tekno goes to school. Yeah. Mama, how do I do? By so old. Mama, I have a problem.
What is the problem?
I don't know how to face the crowd and tell them I'm not the real Tekno.
You're not the real techno. Can you give us the techno dance steps?
Mama.
Oh yes. Because then you put uniform. When you start to go to school, you wait.
You know I'm going to my car.
Give me the khakis. Give me the khakis.
Mama,
give me the khakis. You can't drive your car without the watch.
Mama, the time is after.
Give me the watch.
I don't understand again.
Mommy,
check his pocket. Check his pocket.
No, there's nothing there. Pocket.
Mama.
I need a black belt. I need to look like you used to. Now you can go. Oh, check it. Left, right, left, right, left, right.
We all know that this is an international deal. So, Chinedu, let me hear them.
That's it. Let us hear. Yeah, boss man. Rexy, aka Sexy Papaya. Yes, this is how we do it. Every day is what they say, Ukampu. You look at me and tell me, say, Ukampu. You call my phone and tell me, say, Ukampu. Oh yeah, Ukampu. Oh yeah, Ukampu. Stop. Sit.
Those of you who have not been able to raise anything, let me tell you, if you have a very good boyfriend, press him. Press your boyfriend until he gives you something tangible. And for the guys who did not bring any money, make sure that your sugar mummies don't see peace until they pay. You understand? So 100,000, 200 Sikira, Rose 150. So Edu, you've had all of them now. It's okay. Let's go and see Tekno. Want to discuss one or two based on your